Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task is crucial for maintaining good air quality inside your vehicle. A clean filter traps dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, preventing them from entering your cabin. Replacing it regularly, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year, ensures your heating and air conditioning system operates efficiently and provides a healthier environment for you and your passengers. To begin, you'll need to locate your vehicle's cabin air filter. In many vehicles, it's conveniently situated behind the glove compartment. Start by opening the glove box, then carefully press inward on the sides to disengage the stops, allowing it to swing down further. You might also need to remove a few small retaining clips or screws, often just 2 or 3, to fully access the filter housing. This step usually takes only a few minutes. Once the housing is exposed, you'll see the old cabin air filter. Before pulling it out, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is critical for correct installation of the new filter. Gently slide the old filter straight out. It might be quite dirty, so have a trash bag ready. Then, carefully slide the new filter into the housing, making sure its airflow arrow matches the direction you noted earlier. With the new filter securely in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Reattach any retaining clips or screws you removed, then carefully push the glove compartment back into its original position until it latches. Finally, turn on your vehicle's fan to confirm proper airflow and operation. This entire process typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes and will immediately provide you with noticeably cleaner air and more efficient heating and cooling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.